Hello my dear students, again I'm teacher Farah from Taqarib International School. Today we are going to introduce the new grammar that talks about past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. So what I mean by past continuous tense? It means that something happened in the past but it continues for a certain period of time and then finished. For example, I was reading last night. So I was reading for a certain time and then this action finished. So as usual, we have three types of sentences. We have the affirmative sentence, the negative sentence, and we have the interrogative sentence. So we are going to learn how can we form these three types of sentences using the past continuous tense. Firstly, we have the affirmative sentence. So how can we form it? So at the beginning, we have to add the subject at the beginning of the sentence, and then we have was or were plus verb ing plus the complement. So as you know that here we use was or were, which is the past form of the verb to be. So how can I choose between both of them? You need to know that was, I use it with singular verbs, singular nouns, and then where we use it with plural nouns. For example, I was watching TV last night. She was washing dishes yesterday. So this is the affirmative sentence using the past continuous tense. The second form. Now let us talk about the second form of the past continuous tense, which is the negative sentence. How can I form the negative sentence using the past continuous tense? So firstly, I need to put the subject at the beginning of the sentence, and I have to use was or were plus not. So the key word here is not. So I have to put not with was and were. Then we have to put verb ing and the complement of the sentence. For example, I wasn't reading last night. They weren't playing football yesterday. So we add just not to was or were. And then the end we have the last form, which is the interrogative sentence. So what I mean by interrogative sentence, which is the question. So how can I form the question sentence using the past continuous tense? Firstly, I have to put was or were at the beginning of the sentence, and then we have to use subject, and then we add verb ing and the complement, and at the end we have question mark. So firstly, if I want to form yes or no question, so I use firstly was or were at the beginning. For example, was she playing football last day? Were they having their lunch yesterday? So that's it. And also we have WH question. We just add or use WH word at the beginning of the sentence. For example, what was she doing last day? What were they playing yesterday? So those are the three forms of the past continuous tense. I'll see you next time.